Hi everyone, welcome back to Sarah Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make simple and delicious stir-fried vermicelli. Let's get started.
First, let's prepare the ingredients. Here single quotes as what we need. Step 1. Prepare the vermicelli. Boil some water until it's bubbling. Then add the vermicelli. Cook it briefly, just until it softens. Be careful not to overcook, or it'll get mushy. Once done, drain the vermicelli and rinse it with cold water to prevent it from sticking together. Next, saute the aromatics. Heat a bit of all in a pan. Then toss in the sliced shallots and garlic. Saute until fragrant and golden brown. A little tip: don't let it burn, or the flavor will get bitter. Add the vermicelli to the pan. When the aromatics are ready, toss in the vermicelli. Stir gently to mix everything evenly. Now it's time to season our stir-fried vermicelli. Sprinkle in the seasoning salt, bouillon powder, and a bit of sugar and drizzle in some soy sauce for color. Stir again until everything is well combined. Oh, and the chilies go in at this stage. I like to add the chopped bird's eye chilies now so their spiciness stays fresh. And we're done. The stir-fried vermicelli is ready. Transfer it to a plate and top it with slices of the egg you've cooked earlier. You can also add meatballs, sausages, or veggies to make it more complete. It's super easy, right? Try it at home and let me know how it turns out.
See you next time on Sarah Kitchen. Bye bye!